Okay. I guess I'll have to make this video again because I got interrupted. I don't know why. It is what it is, though. But as I said previously, I decided to become a king. I know that when one becomes a king, they tend to get a lot of excess things piled on them. I'm completely aware of that. I'm fine with that. Honestly, I kind of invite that because I feel as though that'll help expand my character into or towards heights that I've never really looked at. The reason I decided that I wanted to become a king is because I know that there's a certain aura that you have. Oh, she didn't see me. But there's a certain aura that you have that can kind of reach out to people. And not only that, I kind of want to be that guiding light within the darkness. Because I know a lot of people are kept in the dark these days. And that kind of intrigues me because it's like I've always been that type of person, just in the dark, not exactly, how do I say, able. It's not that I wasn't able to be put on a proper path, but more so I just never had anyone to help me. And I want to be that person that gives people opportunities or shows people things that they can do, avenues that they can take, more so to say. And I also know that when I step up to the position or the role, or I don't know if that's, I guess position's probably better to say rather than role. It depends, but I know that when I will change what I have to change about myself, things are going to be different. I know that my entire life will change. And I know that millions of other lives will change because that's the amount of lives that I want to affect. Millions of people. Straight up. And it brings a sense of excitement when I think about what my life's going to be like by the end of this year. Because I finally decided exactly what I want to do. How I'll do it, that'll just come to me. Like, I'm not worried about how I'll do it. I just know I'm going to do it. And I feel like having that having that sense of security, is it's really going to thrust me along this path and allow me to do some pretty crazy things this year. But that's going to be the video for today. And if you don't remember, pretty much, I decided to become a king. That's my goal. Become a king. Build a kingdom. Make the kingdom flourish. And change the world. Now, I will see you guys later, and hopefully you guys have a good day. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll catch you guys.